Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa from Health and Balance in Laguna Beach, California, and today I'm going to speak a little bit about gut health. Your gut would include small intestine and large intestine, and there are organs in your body that are specifically made to be a barrier system so the rest of the world can't get in, and that would be your brain. You have a barrier between your brain and the rest of the world. You have your lungs, which have a barrier, and your gut has a barrier. And how do you keep the integrity of your gut intact? Well, there's a couple things that you can do. One is to eat a healthy diet. Another thing is to stay away from antibiotics unless you absolutely have to. Some really good foods for your gut would be probiotics and also kefir and yogurt that are from grass-fed, pasture-raised beef. Some of the symptoms that happen if you have breached the barrier in your gut are diarrhea, bloating, constipation, alternating diarrhea, constipation. Some of the things that we do at Health and Balance when you come in is we do give a metabolic assessment form. And on the metabolic assessment form, each system is gone through. You go through liver function, the function of your colon, function of your small intestine, and if on that metabolic assessment form it looks as if you've circled many things that have to do with large or small intestine, one of the things we will do then is go further into looking at the health of your large and your small intestine. And some of the things that we can do are we can send out for a lab test. One of the things a lab test does is looks to see if you have a symptom called leaky gut. What leaky gut actually is the barrier system in your gut has been breached and the cell wall has broken down enough so that larger molecules will get through the cell wall and go into your bloodstream. When the larger molecules get into your bloodstream, your body doesn't look at those larger molecules as food. Your body looks at those larger molecules as an invader. So then your immune system will be on higher alert and your immune system will be functioning overtime. Instead of nourishing yourself, what you're actually doing is causing your immune system to be ramped up and to increase, and that alone can cause you fatigue and to be getting sick more often than you think that you should be. So a great test is that test for your gut barrier being breached by large molecules. The high use of antibiotics has caused in a lot of the population something called dysbiosis. And what dysbiosis is, it means that the natural flora in your intestine has been changed. The natural flora in your intestine has a certain ratio of bacteria to other critters that live in your gut that are supposed to be there. So dysbiosis is when your gut flora or the critters in your gut are out of balance. And so we can test for that too just by a simple stool sample test. Being that 70% of your immune system is located in your gut, it is so important to keep your gut healthy and strong and a strong barrier system, since your gut does actually communicate with the outside world. So that's gut health for today. Thank you.